Got my new Revision D diverter valve installed. I think it lasted about 3 years. Because I got it when I got the new KO4 turbo. But it feels great. That the diverter valve is just sounding like it should. Let me get this going here. If I can. Are you ready? Got a breaker. Got a breaker. Don't drive faster than your guardian angels can fly. My guardian angels are pretty fast. Woohoo! Now we go by the police station. I'll let the cars get away a little bit so I can give it the beans a little bit. I got to try out the diverter valve. Water, the water of life, Zephyr Hills. Natural spring water in Florida. Got a lot of congestion through here. I'm just glad there was nothing wrong with my turbo because they found oil under there just a little bit and it was from the diverter valve. They've been known to get clogged with oil too because I remember my forged diverter valve, it was loaded with oil. If you take it off of there, it's loaded. So after a while, it just probably gets stuck in there. It doesn't work as good. And the oil starts seeping or something. But you want to hear that like that. That's what you want to hear, that. Like when you're giving it the beans and then you want it to, and it comes off. Because it's really not a diverter valve. Really, the true valve name is a CPV. Or CBV. CBV. It's compressor bypass valve. Man. No fun for me. Everybody's going slow. We may as well be in a funeral march, you know? Who died? We're going to give it a little bit of gas here. Is it a cop behind me? People comment about my exhaust. They say it sounds awesome. I don't want to sound like I'm bragging, but I'm so happy because it really is. It's an awesome exhaust. And all it is a 3-inch downpipe merged with a genuine sport performance exhaust by Volkswagen Audi. They made it for my vehicle, and I guess it would fit on the Audi A3 because we have the same frame. But like, it just sounds so great. There's no muffler, okay? People go, oh, there's a big canister. That's called a resonator. All the resonator does is it cancels out the what would you call it? Like non-likable sounds, like the sounds that are least favorite to hear, or what would you call it? Non-pleasing sounds. And it bounces it around in there, so when it comes out, it has an exhaust note that German engineers thought would be sounding great for this car. So that's why it sounds like this. So my compressor bypass valve, otherwise known as the diverter valve for slang, is great. It should last at least 3 years, so I'm good to go. I actually got him to do the cam follower too. So I got a new cam follower in there again, and I can go 15,000 now without another one. So I'm good to go. I'm gonna go eat dinner, man. That's what happens when you stop.